Once we've created our Microsoft Forms, we need to determine who we're going to share this with, who we're going to allow to respond to these questions, and how are we going to share it. To do that, we're going to first click on the three ellipses on the right-hand side. We're going to click on the three ellipses and click on Settings. Settings will open up another window that's going to give us control over who we're going to allow to actually respond to these, and also when you want to make it active and when you want to accept responses. Once you have chosen those parameters, now you're ready to share your form. We're going to click on the Share button, and now we will have 4 different options. We can use the web link that is generated here. We can also click on a QR code that we can actually download and share, or we can also click on what is called the embed code, and we can copy that and put it on any type of website, and you can also send it via email. One little suggestion: if you're deciding to do the URL link, you can copy this and actually put it in a URL shortener, such as bit.ly, which is the most famous one, so you won't have a really long URL to actually share with someone. You can also decide whether you want to get a duplicate one to share, or allow other people to actually view and edit your form. And that's how you set settings and parameters, and that's how you share your Microsoft form with the people that you want to share these forms with.